Good evening to all of you. Hopefully you all are doing well and you have spent your day well and have been blessed for whole of the day. So as you know, I have made many videos for you on different applications or different topics for to inform you about new functions, new performances that can benefit you through your phone or that can be a source of benefits through your phone for your phone. So today I am here again for the similar topic, for the similar application to give you new information or make you aware of some new things, to explore some new things together. And let's just get to know what is it. As you can see on my screen, there is an application by the name PowerPoint. So it's in the second row on the first number, and that is PowerPoint. So let's see, by the name we can just get it can be used for making presentations, online presentations, like the presentations which we need to display on the projectors. So let's see how we can make a good PPT, a good PowerPoint presentation through this application. And very much benefit of this application is that it can be used offline. So here we are going to explore, like click on next and don't send optional data, click on close. Now you can see a plus on the very right top corner, and here we can select the format, like in which kind of format you want to have your slides, you want to have your data or your headings whatsoever. So you can choose a blank one, and you can also choose of another type, like I am choosing this one, the blue and white one, and here's been the work on it. And then we are going to have some titles or content added to it. Now if you will click on the double tap to add title here, now double tap here and just let's add title like climate, and double to tap to add subtitle, that will be like global warming. So here it's been here now, climate and global warming. You can surely adjust the size of the slide and the size of the words on it. So to adjust the size of the words, here you have to select the word, and now go here. There you can select the size of the font size, like this 88, now it's been bigger, you can see. And similar with this one, now you can select the text and now go back, it's 22, so let's make it 44. And just see, it has been changed, both the size of both words has been changed. Here you can also change the position of the word here, of the content here, like climate in between here, and then this one also here. So through this method. And if you want to cancel the subtitle option, here click on these scissors and it has been cut, again click on these scissors and that option has been cut. Now you can see by typing here, I am not getting the reason, the thing where I can add my subtitle. So double tap it and just increase the size to have a good or beneficial heading here, 96. It's the full size here. Now after this you can add some picture to this part of the slide, like we usually add some pictures, we usually like to add some pictures here. And here now you can have bold writing, further you can have italic writing, then underlined writing. Then you can also change the color of the font, like is it should it be green or should it be red, or should it be brown or black or something else. So I am just making it violet for now, so it's like this. And further you can also add pictures from your gallery, like any of pictures from your gallery. I am adding this one, and click on this arrow at the below. Here you can crop the picture, you can add filter to the picture, and you can add further pictures from here. Click on done button and adjust it here, or like anywhere you want to have your picture, or you would like to have your picture. So I am having it here, it has been there. Now you can just change its position by tapping, and it has been adjusted here. Further, if you want to have some notes here, then just tap to add notes and write here, or just copy paste here, and it will be saved forever here until you delete it here. Now to get the next slide, you have to add this plus button, again this plus button, again this plus button. And here you can see you have so many slides like these, all of them are similar, but you have to change it. Next, if you want to save it to the cloud, then you can have the second option at the top, like this one I have clicked on. I am going back because it will take time and I don't have time to waste in the video. By tapping the three dots, you can see I have added the new slide. Like see, it can be added from here, And just remember, the slide you have selected will add new slide after it, so just be careful while editing it. Next is notes. Next is rehearse with coach, share as pdf, save as, print settings. So many things are here, but after every editing you have to just click on the tick button and just rename it from here. Like I am naming it like ppt, and click on the tick button, go back. Now ppt, this document has saved. If you want to delete this document, then just click on three dots, click on delete button and click on yes. You can also pin from here. You can also surely like our video and tell us whether it has been beneficial for you, or you need some other applications to get to information